Welcome back to All This Math. This is Professor Parker. I got Rosa Parks here with me on my shirt. All right. And we about to do a quick problem with quick 10 drawings. Hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share this video with at least one other person. And if you got any questions or comments, please put your questions or comments in the comment section. All right. So we about to add 18 plus 17 using quick 10 drawings. There's a lot of ways to add 18 and 17, a whole lot of ways. But in this particular video, we are using quick 10 drawings. All right. Don't get frustrated. Just relax, calm down. You're about to learn something new. All right. So what do? So with quick 10 drawings, we take the numbers and we break them down and represent them using symbols, right? We break them down by place value. We ask ourselves, how many 10s do we have in this number? How many ones do we have in this number? How many 10s do we have in this number? How many ones do we have in this number? All right. Now, what is this doing? What is the point? Some of y'all might be watching this thinking, what's the point? Why should my child learn this? Why should I learn this? And why is this worth my time? Because this is going to help prepare your child for algebra, where they're going to have to do something called combining like terms, which confuses and jams up a lot of students in Algebra 1 classes, whether this is in 7th grade, 8th grade, or 9th grade, whatever, right? We don't want that to happen. So it's fortunate that in 1st grade, our children are being introduced to these concepts where they're being introduced to combining like terms at an early age. So by the time they get to algebra, they don't got to be confused. All right. So that's the answer to that question. In case you're wondering, what's the point? Why we got to learn it? That's why. All right. Now, what you're going to do, we're going to break 18 down into 10s and 1s. 10s and 1s. Now, 18 consists of one group of 10s. That's why there's a 1 right there. And 8 1s. That's why there's an 8 right there. So I use a symbol to represent the 10s, which is a vertical bar. So I do this, vertical bar. And then my 8s, or my 8, I use little circles for the 8. I'm going to draw little circles. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's my 8. So that's my 10. That's my 8. 10 and 8. And over here, I'm going to do the same thing with 17. Represent it like a picture, right? I got 10, because that 1 tells me I have one group of 10. And I got 7 ones. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, there's too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's one too many. I only need 7. All right. So now what I do next, I'm going to write an equal sign. And I'm going to say, well, how many? Now I'm going to ask the question, how many 10s I got? How many vertical bars do I have? I got 2 of them. So that means I got 2 10s. I got 2 10s. 2 10s is equivalent to 20. 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20, or 10 2 times is 20. So talk to your children about that. That shows the relationship between addition and multiplication. All right. So we got 20, right? Then I'm going to put a plus sign because I'm going to add my ones. Just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's going to be 15. Now, what I do with these problems, when I end up with another number that's greater than 10, I do another quick 10 drawing just for that number. So what would I do with 15? Again, what's my symbol for 10s? Vertical bar. And I got 5 ones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to put the 20 with this 10, the 20 with this 10. What's 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 is like doing 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 20 plus 10 is 30, because that's how many 10s we got. We got 3 10s. We already got 2 10s here. We got another 10 here. So that's going to be 30, right? So we got 30 plus these 5. So we got 30 plus 5. And if we got 30 plus 5, we can either count on, right? That's one of the methods we could use to get 30 plus 5. Or we could just say, well, since I know, use logic. Since I know that 0 plus 5 is 5, I should know that 30 plus 5 is 35. See how we did that? And that is our final answer. 18 plus 17, 35. Using the symbols, using the quick 10 drawings, using the drawing. So our children can visualize and see what's happening with the numbers. All right. They got plenty of time to deal with other abstract methods. That's coming, right? They got plenty of time for that, right? They will get well versed in that in the future. But right now, we're dealing with the quick 10 drawings. All right. So hit the like button if you didn't already. Subscribe if you didn't subscribe already. Send this video to at least one other person. Share this video. Put it in the group chat. All right. And if you got any questions or comments, put your questions or comments in the comment section. All right. Peace.